Welcome again to Mhelbeth's Table. Today I will show you our all-time favorite. This is the super crispy fried chicken. Guys, if you try this recipe, you won't go to Jollibee anymore. Oh, alright. So, here are the ingredients. Alright guys, to marinate our chicken, we need 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can make it 1 teaspoon if you don't want it to be spicy, 2 teaspoons of black ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning. This is optional, guys. If you don't want it, then it's okay. This is composed of marjoram, rosemary, sage, thyme, and other spices. So this is the poultry seasoning. If available, you can put it. If not, then that's fine. And 2 teaspoons of garlic powder plus 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. We will need 3 cups of fresh milk. You can use evaporated milk. We will use also 1.5 pounds of chicken drumsticks. Alright guys, so what we do, we will put everything into the milk. Let's mix in all the spices. And the cream cheese. Then we will mix it up together. And then guys, we will pour it over the meat. Just want to make sure that every piece of the drumstick will get all the spices and the marinade. Alright guys, yeah, I forgot to mention, I put a slit. Especially if your drumsticks are big, you have to cut a slit. So, make sure na lubog yung ating meat para pantay-pantay ang pagka-marinate ng ating chicken drumsticks. Kasi guys, kaya napakasarap ang fried chicken because of the marinade. Kaya make sure na mabababad ang ating drumstick for 6 hours or overnight. Okay? There you go. Then we will put back this one into the fridge. And we will cook after about 6 hours. For our coating, we will use 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of cornstarch. Alright. Okay guys, so what we do, we mix up all together. Garlic, paprika, ground black pepper, salt, and onion powder. So, ito yung pang-coat natin sa ating chicken. Okay. Alright guys, ito yung ating minarinate kanina na chicken. Tinanggal ko yung marinade niya at gagawin din natin itong parang coating. Alright. So, first, ayan siya. gagawin is make sure na walang tumutulong tubig. Okay? Ikukot natin dito. Ganyan. Piga-pigaan natin para makot siyang maigi. And then, ilulubog ulit natin dito sa ating marinade. Yan. Saglit lang. Yun. Tanggalin natin yung excess na liquid. Okay? Saka natin ibabalik dito. Ganun lang guys. Para yung ating chicken mamaya is super crispy. Okay? Yun. Okay, so iset aside natin yan. Gawin natin lahat. Lulubog. Tanggalin yung excess liquid at ibabalik sa coating mixture. At pipigain para kumapit. Ayun. Then, itataktak natin para matanggal yung excess na coating. Alright guys, ganito ang gawin natin for the rest of the drumsticks. Guys, we are done coating all the chicken. So, we will heat up the oil and start frying them. Alright guys, I heat up the oil already. I'll check if it's already ready. Okay, lalagyan ko siya ng chopstick. There you go, umaangat na yung, nagbabubble up na yung ating oil. Meaning, it's ready to put the chicken. Okay, so lalagay na tayo ng chicken. Diyan. Yan guys, luto na siya. Ayan guys, make sure na lutong-luto yung inyong chicken drumsticks. Mag-insert tayo ng thermometer to check. Yan. Kailangan nasa 175 siya para sigurado tayong lutong-luto. Alright guys. I think this is good enough. Ayan guys, ang ating nilutong fried chicken na super sarap. Alright. Make sure guys na luto yung inyong drumstick. If you have thermometer, make sure na nasa 175 degrees Fahrenheit siya. Okay? To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I post a video in my channel. Alright, enjoy your super crispy fried chicken.